We're going on our third field trip for the school year, and we are going to, I believe it's called the Nature and Art Walk at a park in our area. So we'll bring you along and follow us through as we have a whole bunch of fun today. It is almost 3:30 and we've been out here since I believe it was 10 or 10:30 this morning. So we spent most of the day out here just having fun at the park with a whole bunch of activities. I will say that the kids' favorite was the animals. Also like the little nature area with all the skulls and everything. Kids collect the skulls and bones they find in the woods, so they enjoyed that. They were very knowledgeable, which surprised the person that was there. Now we are done. I'm still trying to decide whether or not we're going to stop by and pick up ice cream before we head home. And after that, it's, as I said, we're just going to go home and basically chill the rest of the day. Probably just finish up chores, maybe do a movie night again, and have dinner, go to bed. That's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.